fun products. This is a Magic Shine Eraser Gel to Power Mattifying Gel from Catrice. And this is a Makeup Revolution Hydro Cool Baking Powder Translucent Powder. Both of these are like products that I would personally never reach for, but I want to give them a try. I probably won't like them because I am a powder girl, but I am curious and I want to see how these work. Who knows, maybe I'm gonna like them. But right now I am wearing the Catrice HD 24-hour foundation. This stuff is so good. For primer, I'm using the e.l.f. Hydro Grip. I already have it on. And then for concealer, I wore the new L'Oreal ink. If you want to see my full review of this, I will have it linked below. And I also set that with the infallible L'Oreal translucent powder. So I have it on here, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this Makeup Revolution Hydro Cool Baking Gel. So when I went like this, it feels weird. It's like the whole thing kind of, like when you shake it, it feels different. I don't know. Maybe it's in my head. And I have this Magic Shine Gel, which I'm very curious about. I've saw this all over Instagram. I'm not even sure how you apply this. Let's see if there's any directions. All right, so mattifying gel to powder, non-drying, no flashback for soft focus. Okay, how do I apply it? So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my finger in it. Oh yeah, it's a powder. Wow. Oh my goodness. That is craziness. Like, I'm not even kidding you. I've never felt anything like this in my life. So this is my foundation, please ignore. So when you actually when you go like this, it feels creamy, but when you rub it back and forth on your hand, it literally disappears and feels like a powder. So I'm trying to figure, I think you would use a brush. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, I'm actually just gonna look it up. Be like, how do you apply this, Catrice? Ideal for oily skin. I feel like it doesn't say how to, okay, it doesn't say how to apply it, so I'm just gonna go in with a brush because I feel like that's what you would do. So I'm gonna take a big fluffy brush. So I'm kind of patting it like all over to see if it's gonna like, I don't know. I feel like it's not doing anything like that. So my face doesn't feel matte, but I'm gonna take some with my finger. I think you do apply it with a brush, but all right, I don't know. I really don't know about how to use this product, honestly, because I feel like maybe the sponge. Let me take a sponge. All right, so I had some, you can see some of the dewiness right here on my cheek. And when I take the sponge and I tap it over it, it does take away. Interesting. I actually thought I would hate this, and I don't love it, but I don't hate it. It's just there. It's interesting. I wouldn't be surprised if other brands try to come out with their own version. I already got so much hair in this though from my brush. Interesting. I don't hate it, I don't love it. It's just, feel like it didn't do anything. But, so now let's try the Makeup Revolution Hydro Gel. I cannot get the camera lighting on my camera to the way it was. So I've been fighting with it. Interesting. So it has this, I'm gonna pull off on my nails doing this. So it has this really cool little thing and you open it and it has an R. I don't know why I tried to smell it. Oh, wow. It is like heavy. I don't know if you saw how it poured out, but it's pretty heavy and like, I don't know, let's see. So I'm gonna put my little puffer in it. I'm gonna tap it on the, oh, that feels cold. Wow, so when you tap it on your hand, it feels cold. Let's try and bake a little with it. Wow, that is very strange. It feels wet. It feels wet. Like it literally feels like I just put setting spray on my puffer, but just like the hydro part. But that is so interesting. Both of these products are really like interesting. Oh, do you see that? I feel like, do you see that really shiny part? I think that is because it's from this, because it looks jelly. It looks like it's a gel, you know, like in here and get open. And I feel like if you see that, so I don't like, yeah, I'm not gonna, so let's see what happens here. I'm gonna tap this over it. So it mattified it. Now this is interesting. I wasn't planning on liking this product, but I feel like it's like weird because it's like cooling my face and it is baking. Like I feel like it's really sticking to my skin because it has that like sticky powder feeling, if you know what I mean. Because products that do that like hydrogel thing. Yeah, okay. So I actually like this powder. So interesting. Like if you are interested in trying new products, I recommend just like giving these a try. You might find them interesting. This one, I don't know. I think this is a gimmicky product, but this hydrogel powder one, I actually like it. I think it's pretty cool. And I just like putting it all over because I just want to see. Like my skin kind of has a stickiness feeling, but you know, it could be from this. It could be a lot of things. I clearly have tried a lot of products on my face today, but very interesting. All right, so I'm gonna complete the rest of my makeup